Come on,
Go
Harry.
on, go on.
Come on, Harry.
Come on, come on.
Please.
No! Jesus.
Yo, what's good people, it's Cactus, and in today's video I've got something sick today. So today I'm setting off to Cressing, which I don't even really know where it is. I know it's like 4 hours away from me, somewhere near London I think, but I'm going there to meet Ocean, Prod by Jack, LLB and Kevin. So we've got a sick Airbnb for 2 nights. We're basically going to spend the days cooking up beats, making YouTube content, and yeah, it's going to be sick. We haven't really planned out the videos that we're going to do, but I'm sure we're going to think of a lot of ideas. So the first stop for me right now is to head to Leicester, grab LLB and then head straight to the place. So let's get into it.
Cactus. LLB.
Yo.
What up?
What's good, man?
What's going on?
So we just arrived at the place. It's only me and LLB for a while, but the place is sick, man. Let me take you around. As soon as you walk in, we've got the piano, you know. So we're gonna have to cook up something on here in a bit. I think only a few keys work though. And then once if we want a fresh trim, take a seat here. Come through into my kitchen. Had to bring the speakers with me. So we've got everything here. Got the drinks cabinet. England are playing tonight, so we might have to get a little bit wavy. And what else we got? Backyard. We've got everything in here, man. And then come through to the front room. And yeah, man, I'm just thinking about where we can set everything up to cook up. I think Ocean's bringing his speakers as well. I've got mine. Jack might have his, so we might even have like 3 different stations set up. But we'll see when everyone else gets here.
Yo. Welcome to the crib.
Bro, I had the fright of my life, you know. Yeah, same, man.
So I do like a triplet, but very just dead quiet. But I did it on that juxta beat. That's it.
Beat number 1 done.
Yo, I got the right place then. How's it going, man? Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
Yo.
Nice to meet you, man. What's good, bro? Hey,
Yo. What's good, bro?
What's good, man?
Good.
You got some rides. Yeah, we're gonna sit here. We don't really need one set. I've got so much stuff that I need to long one. Yeah. That's not that. How do you plug all this in there? So there's like a strip. You plug all the power into the one strip. But it uses some kind of electricity, so probably. Yeah.
Might be good at cooking up beats, but cooking up dinner is a different story.
I don't even show them that, you know. I'm ashamed. Look at that, fam.
What you meant to cook?
That's a horror show.
Draw attention to perfectly cooked paella.
Wait, one sec. I'm just gonna pause your thing.
All from scratch, no microwaves included.
No microwaves involved. 10 out of 10.
No,
No Travis one.
Yeah, it's exactly like that.
Maybe play with the velocities a little bit.
Maybe like double, like half the time, so it's faster. Right? So it's still triple it, but like 1/6. Do you know what I mean?
That's what it's on now.
So it's like da-da-da-da-da.
Or you mean a
Yeah.
bit quicker.
That'd probably be harder, yeah.
Or you mean bring them back?
Yeah,
like that?
exactly like that. It's like more of them.
Yeah, yeah.
Yo, yo, yo. YouTuber life. Oh, perfect then. Yeah, it was like. Oh, sorry, let's get a quick shot.
Old one.
Did you make all the lyrics? Yeah.
He's got it. He must have. He must have.
He's going to penalties for real. Come on,
Go on, go on.
Come on, Harry.
Come on.
Please. I'm so lucky to get that rebound. Yes! Come
Oh my god. Oh my god. I have to chop it like manually as well.
I showed you all.
Yeah, you showed me.
You like it, isn't it? They are.
Sick!
It's lit. I can't think of it. Oh,
Yeah, spice it up. Yeah, that's the one. That's the one.
Jay, does that have colour or is it just the white?
No, it's just normal light.
Yeah. You remember G, C. You basically, when you learn guitar, you just learn G. C, and you got piano's just music for you.
Try pitch it down an octave. It's like blending in too much with the strings.
It was on sale recently as well, yeah, that's why I grabbed it.
Yeah, I got a little old one today.
But
Yeah,
we're bouncy.
it's hard.
it, does it? I think it's just the ivy. That one. On the one more across.
I want it to be more like.
Or like this. Or some little like riffs.
Okay.
What BPM is that? 200?
190, yeah.
I thought there were shots coming in. AKA. Control X is a different level of shortcut. And the slides, I'll give that.
Quick little beat.
Is this hard? Is this what you guys have just made?
Yeah.
This is sick.
Special.
What is wrong with me?
Yeah, front
Yeah,
game
on this
still.
side.
Clutch moments.
Hey.
Jake.
He's massive. What's it called? Morrison. Yeah, definitely. Yeah. Faye. Oh, she's getting checked. You're gonna get beaten up by a guy. Oh. Jesus.
Kind of loud. Turn it on.
Kind of realizing like my whole vlog is just me filming people. I'm not even in my own video.
Yes, sir.
Oh yeah. That's such a gem that.
Let me do the whistle thing.
There's like a few in there that might work.
Yeah, I actually butcher that every time on the coffee cup.
What's that little du-du-du-du-du?
What's that?
A little
That
flute.
little- Oh, is it a flute? Sounds sick.
I think we should cut it
Oh, yeah,
quicker.
it's,
Yeah, sounds hard.
it's Jubal flute.
Oh, okay.
Contact.
Is that lead the one that's called like Funky Cat or something? Fine. This is.
It sounds so good. Let's just stay back and enjoy this one.
This one's just so good, isn't it?
It's one of those beats that's like vibey, but when the drums hit, you always be like, yeah, it's same thing.
Super nice.
Oh, it's like a really
Oh, this
old.
reminds me of Neptune's kind of sound.
Boom, like the Justin Timberlake. Oh, fronting, like fronting, innit? Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun.